Hi, I'm Conrad Teal with Customer Dynamics, and today I'd like to answer a few questions we've had about scheduling appointments in CRM Web versus CRM Outlook. First of all, I'd like to talk about synchronization. If you go up to your personal options using the gear or sprocket, there's a tab on your personal options called Synchronization, and then Filters. As you can see, I don't have my tasks synchronizing with Outlook because I have them set to inactive, and I don't have my contacts synchronizing because I have them set to inactive. But I do have my appointments set as active, and this is important because if all of these are inactive, nothing will sync. And you can control what syncs down to Outlook with this. So setting that aside, if I go in and I create a new appointment inside of CRM, and I set CRM created appointment, and I have all the required fields in here indicated by the red star, and I also add a description, and I hit save, you can see I have an appointment scheduled for the 26th at 4:30. It doesn't instantly show up in Outlook CRM, but if I really want to push the issue, I can go and I can synchronize with CRM, and I have this set that so that the warning stays up. You can cause that to go away when it's done synchronizing. And as you can see, CRM created appointment has been created inside of my Outlook calendar for me automatically. Now I have the full CRM for Outlook tool installed, and I know I have it because I have the CRM tab up top where I can see if I go online or offline and synchronize with CRM. It's important to know that if you're offline and it says go online, synchronizations won't happen. Now what happens if I move my appointment to, let's say, a half an hour earlier? I can move my appointment just by clicking and dragging, and then I can synchronize with CRM. And you can see one appointment was synchronized to Outlook. I hit OK, and if I was to hit refresh on my appointment here by hitting Control R, it should move to 4 o'clock. And there you can see the start time is now set at 4 o'clock. Now one thing I didn't do on my appointment is I didn't set anyone as being required or optional. So you can see there's really no one showing up in my as being scheduled to be with me on the appointment. What I can do is I can add people. So I could either type in a name and attach an account, which might not be the best solution, or I can look at more records, and I could attach a contact that has an email address, maybe a lead that has an email address, or if it's somebody else at my company, I could find them and I could attach them. So in this case, I'm going to find Jim, and I'm going to add him. And so now he's a required attendant. I can also set this in regards to an account that I'm working on, so I'll do that and I'll hit save. And then I'll come back here to my CRM tab and I'll synchronize. And you can see now when I go into my appointment, it's actually trying to email Jim. I haven't sent it yet because I've only set it up in CRM. My scheduling assistant will show Jim. If I was able to see his calendar, I would show his busy and free times. Thank you for your time, and I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful.